So this is back to the camper repair top section and overhang for the Northern Lite um, 1020. So anyways, I ended up making that cabinet that you see there, that one right here, that one, and remaking it. And so I'm about to put this cabinet over there, and that'll be the end of this section. So that's what it looks like, and that's what it looks like um, redone. What I ended up doing is I cut that section out, and as you can see, I nailed some 3/4 inch plywood by inch and a half on there, and then I nailed it to that little hole right there. So anyways, this is what it looks like. So these are this is on the inside, so it's pretty simple. It's a cabinet just like the Northern Lights have. I ended up doing some adjustments here and there, but that's basically how they're built. And I made it out of different type of wood because I couldn't find any oak, so I ended up using I think it's birch. I stained it as good as could, and but it's the same design, same everything. So mounted these the way they're mounted on the original. So so now it's to get the other one done, and then put the bed back in, and leak's gone. Okay, bye campers, bye.